Marshmallows in the microwave. We're gonna put this on for 30 seconds. Will watch them burn? No, kind of. Observe. Just watch the marshmallows.
Here, is that up close? Is that zoom?
Yeah, it's good. What? Are you watching them?
Yeah. Oh my god!
Look how big they are! They shrink it down. Then they shrink back. They're like jiggly. They're like Jello.
Somebody eat it.
No, put it in again.
We only have 2 seconds. We don't need the flip camera.
That was creepy. They're rising back up. They're like, Aaron, don't make it.
If it starts to overflow. I love that in that.
Okay, hurry, we need to show it to them. Okay, somebody needs to put it in the microwave.
No, it fades. It fades. It's fine. Just throw it away.
No!
We can turn on the video.
I'm gonna eat that.
Yeah, we can turn it in the video.